Well, our next guest is a public charity that supports vital research and education to discover causes, improve treatments, and cures for brain and other nervous system diseases. The American Brain Foundation has invested more than $20 million in funding in this area, and we are very pleased to welcome Super Bowl champion, speaker, advocate, author, and musician Ben Utecht to the program. Ben, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Well, Ben, we understand that 50 million Americans will be affected by brain disease. Can you elaborate on this?
Furthermore, the incidence of diseases like Alzheimer's is expected to triple over the next 2 decades. I can personally testify to the difficulties presented by brain disease as a former NFL player because of the brain disease CTE, which is found in 96% of the brains that have been autopsied by former players. And this is something that is a personal mission for me that we need to educate our culture more about.
Well, a major goal of the American Brain Foundation is to rally public opinion around the need to find treatments and cures for brain diseases. Tell us why the foundation hopes to unify people to take on this challenge.
Well, there are more than 400 brain and neurological diseases, from Parkinson's to Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis to traumatic brain injury. And they are connected because they share common disease mechanisms leading to different kinds of neurodegeneration. And so what it means is curing one brain disease can help cure multiple brain diseases. And that's something that research is going to provide. If we can find a cure for one, we can find a cure for all.
Well, why are strong investments in brain and neurological disease research needed now?
Well, the truth is federal funding for research on brain disease is very small compared to other diseases such as cancer and HIV/AIDS. Yet brain disease is more prevalent in the population than others. All people suffering medical afflictions deserve attention, but brain diseases deserve greater investments in prevention, treatment, and cures because of the amount of people that it affects and also the caretakers that it affects.
We've been speaking to Ben Utecht. Learn more at AmericanBrainFoundation.org.